Hi everyone, welcome to my Pliego Creates YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to download and install fonts from dafont.com into Cricut Design Space. Alright, to get right into it, we're going to go ahead and start off with our Cricut Design Space application closed. That will allow all of the fonts to be able to fully install into the application without having any troubles. Okay, so we'll start off opening our Safari, going into dafont.com. So just like it sounds, we're going to go ahead and press return. It'll open up into this website. As you can see that there's a lot of variations and you have a lot of options to choose from. If you already know what you're looking for, you can go ahead and look up a font name right here in the search box, and if not, then there is a lot of options here. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of look through them, see what they have to offer. As you can see, they can offer a lot of different fonts to pick from. They have a lot of script, they have some stuff for sporting teams. I think that's very helpful when it comes to Cricut. And then they have some cartoon ones. So we're going to go ahead and pick a design or a font that we are really liking. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and download it. Luckily, it gives you a preview option here. So you can go ahead and type in whatever you want. If you're not sure about how it's going to look once you download it into Cricut Design Space, here you go. Gives you a lot of options to pick from. So I'm going to go ahead and download this Grinched font, and I like that it gives you a nice preview of what the words would look like, and it even offers a little bit more. So that's a really good deal here. Go ahead and press download. It will send it over into your downloads box right over here. Usually they give you a text just saying that this is for personal use only. So we can go ahead and close out of that. And then to actually download the font, we're going to double click here. The font is not installed yet, as you can read here. So we're going to have to install it first. Alright, so it opened up our font book here, and what it does, it just adds it into the list of fonts that we have. So Grinched is right in here, and it gives us, again, another preview. So we can close all those pop-ups now. The font is already downloaded, and it has made its way into our Cricut Design Space application. All we have to do now is really just open up a new canvas, or you can add it onto another design that you already had, to another project, and from there the font should already be installed. Alright, so we can go ahead here and type in whatever it was that we had type, just to see a comparison, and of course it would always go to our default here, but we're going to go ahead and click system. From there we can search our font name, and the one that we had downloaded was called Grinched, and there it is. We can go ahead and click, and it should show up for us already. So it's very quick and simple. If you want to download more fonts, then you have more variations, more options to choose from. And it's just a repeating process. Go into the website, find a font you like, click download, make sure you install it, and then after that you can open up your Cricut Design Space and change it into your desired font. I hope this video was very helpful, and if you guys want to watch the same steps in the HP version, because I also have another one of those computers, you can go ahead and let me know. I hope you guys have a lot of fun with this, because it does offer a lot of different fonts that you can find, and that way you do not have to pay for Cricut Access or for those designs that want to charge you more. So then again, I hope you guys like this video and I hope you guys stop by again. I hope this video was useful.